refuge. You start in the parking lot, overlooking the football field of your old school, cross the street, past the new condos, and enter the leaf-shadowed place you heard about for the first time yesterday. Moss muted, sun aloof, just you and the turtles and chipmunks, traffic noise a burr at the edge of consciousness, low bird sounds, chitter and wing flap, the pond ripples, exploded cattails and grasses wave in the small breeze. Eastern white pines filter light, rustle and moan, understory, undergrowth, decomposing stumps, one pine overturned, its roots forced into air. Wood duff churned by scurrying, everything a lesson. We all go back to particle and speck, while saplings, Canadian mayflowers, and fiddleheads raise green questions amid the X's of tangled roots. Whatever seeds, whatever comes, curated by the unwritten rules of sun and damp and chance. You sit still for a long time with the chirps and plops, woodpeckers and spring peepers in this place you feel you should know. Gray-green chapel. No, not chapel with its Bible and dominion, only burrow or lair, place of shadow, song, and air.